This is Elson Debarros recording this video. Today is November 26, 2020, Thanksgiving Day. I want to send this message to Cranston Mayor, to Cranston Police Department, State of Rhode Island government. I'm not afraid to fight, to defend my rights. Last night actually, it was something happened to me which I feel devastating about, which I was have some symptoms. Then I call because I cannot go to Rhode Island Hospital. I take the bus from Kennedy Plaza to Cranston to take bus 21 to call the rescue in Cranston because I was not have money to pay the lift to go to Kennedy Hospital. Then I call rescue around 9 something, and then what happened is that they tell me no, they cannot take me to Kennedy Hospital. They force me against my will to take me to Rhode Island Hospital. Then I told them no, they threat, call the cops, 5 false reports or whatever they want to do. Then Dick, and then what happened is that I was afraid, I was anxious, and then I was feel intimidated by the action. I started running away from them, even I was in pain. And then what happened is that they told me Kent Hospital was closed. They know I said rescue. And then I contact Kent Hospital. Kent Hospital says they reopen. They not closed. And then they told me to contact Kent Hospital. Told me to contact rescue again to take me to the hospital. I contact Kent Hospital. Contact rescue, asking to transport. What happened? Soon as the firefighters arrive and then ambulance arrive, 2 police cruisers show up. At the scene, it's probably 12 people on the scene. And then what happened is that trying to force me against my will, again, my free will, to take me to Rhode Island Hospital. And then I told them, no, I'm not gonna go. I walk away. And then they keep talking with each other, treat me like a mental disabled person, which any type of disability is discrimination. And then the cops threaten me, I told them I don't want to go. Because it's freedom of choice, freedom of choice, free will. And then I walk away. And then I was not have a lift set up yet. I set up my lift again because I have new phone. Asking for lift, but I was want to save money. But $10 or $11 for it to give me a hard time like that is not worth it. Because I was thinking it's more to pay lift. I wasn't even remember if I was have a lift app on my phone. And then those 2 police cruisers, they over there. I was standing at the Garden City, no broke any laws, just wait for left or right. And 5 minutes more later, or probably 10 minutes later, they show up again. Question me, this and that, why I'm at the hospital, this and that. And then one officer was very irritated. He threatened me that if I call rescue one more time, he will take me to the jail. I don't see the probable cause for that kind of threat. I want to send her a clear message that I make the decision last night. I will never call again a rescue in that thing. If I am like in the last minute of my life, somebody could call for me, but if I am unconscious, if I'm conscious, I never call rescue in Rhode in United States at all. If I cannot walk to the hospital, if I cannot have money for lift, if I don't have other access to get to the hospital, I will stay at home or wherever I am. But by all means, I want to send those folks a message that they should treat taxpayer with kindness and courtesy because they get salary paid under us. Our taxpayer pay their salary. All the city employee get paid under taxpayers. So they should be more fair about what they're doing. And then the officers told me I don't have no medical problems, which he is not a medical doctor. I have a proof to prove them why I was uh, the old diagnostic that had been provided by the doctor last night. I will contact mayor's office Monday. I will contact the internal affairs Monday, and then I will file a complaint.
Happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
Welcome to America.
Uh,
Happy thanks for giving us your country.
I hope so. So, by all means, folks, we need to be more serious about people with the rights. Folks, we don't need to threat someone against his free will. Freedom of the choice, free will. And then also, you refusing to provide assistance, help, who is a taxpayer. I don't understand at all. And then says, I don't have medical problem. How you know a medical doctor? If you want to arrest me, come arrest me now. I don't make any threats. I won't say the truth. And I told him I've been represented by legal counsel. He said, call whatever you want. Officer, you said you take the oath to serve the community, to protect the community. But now you're against your community. I'm not afraid. Before I was afraid. But now, not anymore. I know inside my hand. Before I don't. So this is the kind of treatment I've been received in the United States. Profiling, single out, and discrimination. That's always happened. 90% of the time, I've been profiling, I've been discriminated, and I've been treated as a suspect. I put myself on the line if there's any suspicions against me. If you have any concerns, questions, I'm happy to go. I will hire a criminal defense attorney who will be with me and answer any questions any law enforcement has. But I'm not going to tolerate any law enforcement city employees to violate my constitutional rights. Thank you.